Whew, not going in there. Hey guys, good morning from Southern Nevada. Today my son and I were just out here exploring, having a good time, looking for snakes and tortoises, because right now they're just popping out of the ground, and hopefully we can find something. But every time we come out here to explore, I always bring a rifle with me. Today I have the Ruger Mini-14, which I absolutely love. I've bought my first one back in the mid-90s, so I've had these off and on for about 30 years, and I've mounted scopes on them, and I've just never really been happy. And I've always wanted a red dot on a Mini-14, and as far as I know, up until now, nobody's really made a mount for a micro red dot. But I just came across this accessory right here. This is a rail made by Samson. It's called a Hannibal rail, and it's designed for a micro red dot, and it also has a Picatinny rail. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a close look at this. I'll show you the red dot I have. It's actually a green dot. And then we're going to come back out here, put a few rounds through this, and just have a lot of fun. Now I can tell you, we've already shot this morning, and I did just install this yesterday. So this morning we've put a few rounds through this. We've got the green dot sighted in, and I'll tell you what, absolutely love this thing. If you watch a lot of my videos, you know I don't do a lot of accessories, but man, this is one that it's been on here about 12 hours and I already love it. Anyways, you know what? I'm going to shut up. I'm going to show you a short video on this rail, and then we'll get back out here and do some shooting. Now here's what I like right here. Made in the USA. So let's see what we got here. All right. So we got actually very good instructions and a lot of nice clear photographs. Look at that, huh? You have everything you need to install this. There is a barrel clamp. So you have Loctite, you have Allen wrenches, you have a 2-inch Picatinny rail, and you have a quick detach piece right here. All the screws, and let's take a look at the rail itself. Now, I've already looked at this, and I'll tell you what, it is really, really very well made. And I'll tell you what, there's a lot of machine work that goes into this. But look at that. Yeah, it's aluminum. It's actually very lightweight, and there's a whole mess of red dot optics you can mount on this. Alright, so I'm not going to show you how to install this, only because YouTube might have a conniption fit over it. So what I will do is I will tell you this. You do have to take off the hand guard. You won't need that. And you will be taking out these 4 screws right here. And you're going to take off this cap right here. And basically, you're going to use these 4 holes right here. And you're going to put this on, put those screws back in, and that barrel clamp, it's going to go right in here, and it's going to clamp to the rail using these 2 holes right here. So it looks like it's very easy to put on. Make sure use the Loctite, and there is a little more to it than this, but it's not too bad. You do have to take out the charging handle, but it's quite simple. If you've ever taken one of these apart, then you shouldn't have any problem installing one of these. Okay, so you actually have to install the red dot before you mount this on the rifle, and that's because you want to make sure your screws aren't going to stick out here and hit the barrel. Now, I do have a red dot installed. Actually, it's not a red dot. This is a green dot. And I don't know if that's going to focus or not. But this is actually a Holosun model HE508T. Really, really like this optic. The hood here is actually titanium. It has a solar panel, plus it uses a battery. 50,000 hour battery life on it. Just really a good optic. So let's get this mounted on my Mini-14. All right, look at that. Got it installed, looks pretty good. Can't wait to get this sighted in. All right, let's get back to the range and put some rounds through this. Hey, you know what? We're going to set up this steel plate. We're going to get back about 120, 125 yards and see if we can hit it a couple times. Okay, son, it's all yours.
All right.
Got it. Got it. Hit. All right.
I'll take that. All right, move back quite a bit further. I'm going to see if I can hit it.
Oh, that was close. Try one more. Got it. Wow.
Right.
Good shooting, son.
Thank you.
Hey guys, time to play. What's in the can? Gonna shoot this with a soft point. It's gonna blow up and see if you can tell what's in it. Okay, here we go.
Got me from here.
Hold on, son. Okay, come on. GoPro, stop recording. Wow. So, can you tell what it was? Harmony! Hey, can't leave that wheel like that, right? Hey guys, there you go. So what do I think of this rail? I'll tell you what, man, just absolutely love it. The only thing you have to be aware of is when the charging handle comes back, you have this area right here, but you know what? It's really not going to pinch you. So that's, to me, is no concern. But how much do I like this? Well, I'll tell you what. I have another Mini-14, a stainless model made in the early 90s. I'm going to order a rail for that. So there's going to be another Mini-14 video coming up in the near future. Anyways, thanks for watching our video. Hit that like button. Subscribe. I do have earplugs in. I'll take one last shot. Woohoo! And we'll see you guys next time.